I'm gonna do some natural light beauty portraits of my wife. Let's get to it. You're a little fair skinned. I got that.
You got the Florida.
I got that guinea wop. I got a little guinea wop in me right now because, you know, we're in Milan and we're just doing some cool shit here. You ready for this?
I think so.
You ready to be on the other side of the camera? Some natural light beauty portraits?
Yeah.
Get sexy.
Some titties.
Titties. All right, so quick look around this room, if you want to call it a room.
It's a room.
I think in the United States we would call this a closet, not a room. A large walk-in closet. But here in Italy, this is a room. All right, so here's what we want to do. We are looking to just do some natural light beauty portraits. I know there's a lot of beauty photographers out there and boudoir photographers, things like that. And I think a lot of times we overcomplicate things. We got to take what we can get. So for this setup, we're going to do some quick beauty portraits. I'm gonna do them of my wife, right? And if you can work with your wife, you can work with anybody.
Can you make me look tan?
Can you make me skinny?
Can you skinny my arm?
Can you use the skinny lens? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna use a 50mm 1.2 Canon EOS R5. So you want a full frame sensor no matter what. And I'm looking for the softest light in this apartment, in your hotel room, in your studio. I'm just looking for soft light. And if there's photographers out there like Sean Archer, he's on Instagram, love his work. 99% of his work is just natural light pouring in. And then he actually cuts them off the background and puts them on a different color background. So we'll probably mess with some of that and show you how easy that is, because it is super easy with Photoshop now. And maybe we'll take a list off the white wall and then put a textured wall behind or something like that. But that's kind of what I'm thinking. You want to be in Venice? You want to be on a gondola?
I would love that.
Yeah, you're just here.
It's never gonna happen in real life.
Okay, so let's get to it. Let's watch the shoot. Let's go. All right, so I think part of making good portraits is making sure you've got constant motion with your subject versus I think a lot of times when you're working with your subjects and you just tell them to go over there, stand over there, do something over there, they don't know what the fuck to do. They're not supermodels. So you kind of want to walk through it with them step by step and look for those moments where there's motion. They're touching their hair, they're messing with their shirt, they're taking their shirt off, they're putting their shirt on, they're looking away, they're laughing. I think those are the types of moments, especially with beauty, where you start getting them to loosen up, relax, and just look a little more natural. Nobody's gonna like a picture where they've got a fake smile, super awkward looking or anything like that. So I gotta get my wife to laugh. That's its own job right there. Just thumb in the pocket. Yep, love that. And here I'd like to just tuck that in really shape your waist. Okay. Beautiful.
Can you see the top?
No, I can't see it tucked. Yeah, just get your hands where they need to be. What are you gonna do with this? Looks weird. That looks weird, super weird. Yeah, go in the bell tube. I respect that. Good. All right, let's start with you right at me. Beautiful. Awesome, looking away. Love that, looking down at the ground. Love that, little giggle down there. Yep, stay there, I'm gonna get a little closer. Come right at me now. Love that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Good, now with this hand, maybe you're just kind of like messing with that curl just a little bit. Yes, love that, love that, love that. Good. Looking away again. Down at the ground again. Big giggle, you love it down there? Love it. Big in the shoulders, small in the stomach. Yep, lean forward to me at the waist. Yep, there we go. Big giggle down there. Love that. Good, stay there. Love that. Good. Let's get that shirt off.
All the way, or you want
No, around the shoulders. And come around your waist with your hands. Love that. Be careful sticking your stomach out. So I feel like the way you're standing, you're sticking your stomach out. Nope. Other way. Yeah. But I think you gotta lean into me. Yes. Lean in a little bit more. Yeah. A little bit more. Yep. Chin this way. Love that. This shoulder up. Yes. Gorgeous. Here we go. 1, 2. Love that. Looking away again. Eyes up a little higher. Come back at me. Beautiful. Okay, stay there. Let me get some horizontal as well. Love that. Looking away. Let that face turn. More. Turn. Right there is where I want you. Beautiful. Lean into me at the waist. Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2. Love that. Stay there with it. Gorgeous. Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe you got a little bit of this going.
I don't know that it's firm enough to stay.
You got it to stay, but we want. Maybe it's down here, or you're holding it maybe. Yeah, I like that. Great for this one. Pro tip, I can do this because it's my wife. I can touch her legally, I think. Maybe it's not even legal, I don't know, but like 49 states, I'm pretty sure it's legal. I can touch her. Don't touch your clients. Creeper alert. All right, shoulders back. Yeah, twisting me a little bit. Love that. Good, chin this way just a bit. Love that. Gorgeous. Looking away. More chin that way. Yes, right there. Beautiful. There we go. 1, 2. Bring the hands together around your chest a little bit more. Yeah, you can. Good. Like that. There we go. Roll that left shoulder forward. Yeah. Yeah. Love it. Away. Big giggle for me. Looking down at that ground, giggling. Yes, love that. Love that. Stay there. Eyes on me right now. Yep, lips together, chin this way just a pinch. Yeah, the church bells are ringing right now. What'd you think of the shoot?
It was easy.
It was easy, super easy. You ain't gotta be weird about
My
it.
boobs.
Well, yeah, when I'm touching your boobs, everything is. I think it's better, personally. All right, hopefully you guys saw. Super easy to work on your beauty portraits using available light. You don't have to make it difficult. You can just work with the light that's there. But the key is the trick. If you were paying attention, constantly having her look towards this light. So if I show you this light right now. It's coming in from this window, nothing direct, right? So we've got, it's just basically open shade in the room, nothing direct. And what we're doing is we're working with that light, but she's got to look towards it so I'm not creating bad shadows on her face. So she was either at camera cheating or away at that light. And so I think if you try that, you'll get a really good start on some of your natural light beauty portraits. Work with the available light, 50mm lens, and what's the other tip to doing it?
Don't touch your clients?
No, I think, well, yes, that's don't touch your clients unless they're your wife.
Oh, the other tip, show some titties?
Yeah, show titties, that always works.
I don't know.
The other tip is to keep them moving, doing something.
Oh, yeah.
Hands are moving, face is moving, they're at camera, they're away from camera. That's the trick. Don't listen to her. She doesn't know what she's saying about it. All right, if you like this video, want to see more of it, like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know which one was your favorite picture, and don't say the one with the boobies in it. I'm coming for you.